So the battle of the Monaco continues. We got all our belts, everything tensioned on the alternator. Everything was styling, really. We were looking good. Got everything in, it was going. And I'm like, man, I smell fuel once we had it running. And we were building pressure, but fuel line here on this filter started going pee-pee everywhere. Conveniently on our new belts. So we've snugged up our clutch too because it was starting to slip again. We're getting tired of this. So fingers crossed. We've got working air, clutch is engaged, our pressures are coming along. Ooh, we're almost there. Wesley, turn that off. We got cold AC. Cold AC. All right. Compressor's working. Got our idle all adjusted for when it's in gear with the air on. Wes says it's nice and cold.
That's nice and cold.
Oh yeah, baby. All right. Done.